Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Ramsha Sultan and today I would be telling you guys how to create different kajal looks. Now these kajal looks can be worn to office, college or any party or brunch. All the kajals that I would be using in this video are from the brand Plum. Now if you've been following me for a very long time, I did a video when I started my channel. I did a video on top 5 kajals in India and I ranked Plum Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl on rank 1 and it's been my favorite ever since then. It's not changed. So I would be using different colors like black, brown and blue to create different looks. Let's start with the video. For the first look, I'm taking the black kajal and applying it on my waterline and thickening it a little bit. This is the simple kajal look that you can create within 2 minutes. If you want a bolder look, you can apply the kajal on your waterline and then wing it out a little bit. This is the classic bold eye makeup look which looks good with every outfit. For the next look, I'm taking the brown kajal and applying it on my waterline and then smudging it up with a smudging brush. I'm doing the same procedure on my upper lash line, applying it as an eyeliner and then smoking it out with the smudging brush. This creates a beautiful, soft, smoked out look. For the next look, I'm taking the blue kajal and first creating the wings with the sharp tip of the kajal pencil. Then I'm applying a thick layer of this kajal as an eyeliner. And this is how beautiful this look turned out to be. If you want a bolder look, you can apply the kajal on your waterline as well and then smoke it out with a brush. And this has to be my favorite look out of all. I just love this pop of blue color in my eyes. And that's it guys, these are all the eye makeup looks that you can create using just kajal pencils. All these looks are super simple and honestly, kajal looks so flattering on Indian eyes. Plum Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl is completely smudge proof and waterproof. It will not budge all day long and now it is available in 3 colors which is so amazing. I will be providing the purchase link in the description box down below where you can purchase it directly, and this kajal is also available on all leading online stores including their website. Also, if you like the scarf that I'm wearing right now, you can actually purchase it from my website ramshasultank.com. I will be providing link of the scarf in the description box down below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do comment down below and let me know which look was your favorite. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press that little bell icon and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. This is me Ramsha Sultan signing off.